Holy. I ain't talking religion when I say they're holy. Just watch me when you're lowly, cause you know me and my broskies. Get in the comments. Hey, you know that we
If it fucking she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush feed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and
So first to the face I hear the voice now you don't know say a KOGENCY. But the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And today we have OFB Kush plugged in with Fumez. Now I was a little hesitant to do this one at first because usually I did like probably 1 or 2 Kush reviews on my channel before I did ever usually get any views. So I was like, alright, niggas don't want to see that shit. But I heard a preview of this on IG and he was flawed. So I was like, fuck the views fam. I want to react to this on the channel. Cause this sound like me I got some whole heap of things for breakdown. You understand? So I just want to jump into it, man. Hit that like or dislike button. But definitely jump in the comments because I reply to all the comments. Yo, and let's jump into this shit, man. I don't want to waste any time. Gang. Fumez with the light skin face.
Yo.
Yo.
Plugged in with Fumez, the engineer.
Aye.
Oh way or no way.
Oh, way.
We got the whole of the O in the building. Gang shit, you know it's no cap.
Why this beat sound like that?
Gang. Yo. I ain't like these kids. No. I've been really out here on the strip, got a laser beam trying to crash man's wig. I don't only do jewels, been trying to get rich. Pick. Shoot or drive, we set for them pricks. Clip. Big hand ting with a spin, or we roll with a dot shit like Twix. Flick. Pyrex ball, I got fish.
I just heard the flow he was about to start, dog. I'm so sorry, Kush, dog, but this beat, man. Whoo. Listen, any producers watching out there, let me tell you a secret to have a slapping beat, bro. You understand? For your beat, just try to have, you know what I'm saying, like have your bass and your kick going off, right? Have a it don't have to be a sample, but have your melody, you know what I'm saying? Have a melody in like the higher ranges, mid ranges, and then a lower one that you know you probably bring in and out, or you know what to do when you bring the melodies in and out. You understand? But just have at least two different melodies. 3, amazing. And then the snare and the pattern, oh my god, bro. Oh my god, sorry. Because I make beats, I'm kind of like a beat nerd. Well, I used to make beats. I haven't made a beat in a minute. But you understand, I understand these things and I'm passionate about it, bro. But let's go. Kush, talk to me.
Gang. Yo. I ain't like these kids. No. I've been really out here on the strip, got a laser beam trying to crash man's wig. I don't only do jewels, been trying to get rich. Pick. Shoot or drive, we set for them pricks. Clip. Big hand ting with a spin, or we roll with a dot shit like Twix. Flick. Pyrex ball, I got fish. Shit. No, I ain't cooking no dishes. TT grab, I ain't put it with mix. A bit C cash, got shaking the tits. Rap got me legit. I'm still out here, still roll with a stick. I'm still out here trying to find me a lick. Roll with the man them like Lilo and Stitch. If you'd cash, that's bro. I got endless love, no homo. Gangs on stuff, ain't riding a Volvo. Put him in a shirt, ain't doing no promo. Full ride with cargo, take control. Got me feeling like Marlo. Tell bro, take care of the parcel. Any occasion, shoving his arsehole. The boy.
Dog, it's just, it's so real. Like, you just have to just pause, dog. It's just like, Jano. And that line is kind of pause as well. Can you tell a man for shove something I'm also like, yeah, but I understand why. But like, Jano is still mad.
Shirt ain't doing no promo, full ride with cargo, take control. Got me feeling like Marlo. Tell bro, take care of the parcel. Any occasion, shoving his arsehole. The boy, she's really a nerdy too.
I'm sorry, bro. It just sounds still. I'm sorry, but it just sounds weird. Any location of that in your arsehole.
Location, shoving his arsehole. The boy, she's really a nerdy. Talks on the net, but never in person. I swear I can't lie about a thing in my verse. When I heard make lies, I was hurt. Who have you crashed, bro? Who have you hurt? Suns out, guns out, bros gone berserk with a king up. Out with
Bro, their air chings are amazing today, bro. The energy in the air chings that we've gotten today, top 10. The air chings is what making the plugged in right now. I swear to you. Big up Abs in the background. Even Abs is doing the mad air ching, fam. Look.
Never in person, I swear I can't lie, but I think in my verse. When I heard make lies, I was hurt. Who have you crashed, bro? Who have you hurt? Suns out, guns out, bros gone berserk with a king up. Out with didn't observe this new generation's only getting worse. Brag on the neck, guess they wanna be heard when they see him on the net. If I put him in a hearse, pull up reverse. Countless times I assisted the works. Countless times I've been on their turf, and countless times them man need a nurse. Hospital bed is dread, blue light skirt from the Fed is meant. Whole of the O and oboe is tense. I still skate round and they pushing their friends, they hop in the fence. I smoke big fat buds, it's dense. Make a little juice if I sell while wet. Used to sell the star dog, I ain't talking of pets. So they want me from a far dog, we ain't even met. Stress. They bums, no funds, no man on the curb like 30 plus. Life in the demo.
No, dog. The flows right before then, dog. I cannot pull it up.
Who have you hurt? Suns out, guns out, bros gone berserk with a king up. Out with didn't observe this new generation's only getting worse. Brag on the neck, guess they wanna be heard when they see him on the net. If I put him in a hearse, pull up reverse. Countless times I assisted the works. Countless times I've been on their turf, and countless times them man need a nurse. Hospital bed is dread, blue light skirt from the Fed is meant. Whole of the O and oboe is tense. I still skate round and they pushing their friends, they hop in the fence. I smoke big fat buds, it's dense. Make a little juice if I sell while wet. Used to sell the star dog, I ain't talking of pets. So they want me from a far dog, we ain't even met. Stress. They bums, no funds, no man on the curb like 30 plus. Life on the demo, you nerdy cunt. Talk about man, you must be skunked. 3-2 spin all that 30 pump, coulda lift. He's a lucky cunt. 4 man in the ride with me, turning up, I was on that glide when got fun. I stretch that grub gymnastics. Can't fuck with a gal if she plastic, spastic. I pre that one, they're a catfish. Bro, man of the match, he match fit, slapped it, got it on point, ain't no practice. The way he drenched man was a madness, sadness. With a foot, bro was a Baptist. Live a sweet life like Zach and Cody. Up.
Sweet life like Zach and Cody, bro. Like me, like Zach. If you never know, out of all of my names, I have KOGENCY, I have trigonometry, but my real name is Zach. Zach Haley, you understand? But yeah, sweet life like Zach and Cody, like me, bro. Sweet life.
He's a lucky cunt. 4 man in the ride with me, turning up, I was on that glide when got fun.
Wait, no, let me hear that again, man. I was vibing. You saw me, I was vibing.
We ain't even met. Stress. They bums, no funds, no man on the curb like 30 plus. Life in the demo, you nerdy cunt. Talk about man, you must be skunked. 3-2 spin all that 30 pump, coulda lift. He's a lucky cunt. 4 man in the ride with me, turning up, I was on that glide when got fun. I stretch that grub gymnastics. Can't fuck with a gal if she plastic, spastic. I pre that one, they're a catfish. Bro, man of the match, he match fit, slapped it, got it on point, ain't no practice. The way he drenched man was a madness, sadness. With a foot, bro was a Baptist. Live a sweet life like Zach and Cody. Ups and downs, ain't riding a pony. Keep a small circle, then boy, they are phony. If you ain't gang, hell no, don't phone me. Aim for the target, ain't talking no stone. You can't save these shots, boy, you ain't no goalie. Talking my name like them boy, they know me. Ain't talking religion when I say they're holy.
Bro, hear that? Listen to that.
It's the engineer.
Listen to this bass. Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
The way he drenched man was a madness, sadness. With a foot, bro was a Baptist. Live a sweet life like Zach and Cody. Ups and downs, ain't riding a pony. Keep a small circle, then boy, they are phony. If you ain't gang, hell no, don't phone me. Aim for the target, ain't talking no stone. You can't save these shots, boy, you ain't no goalie. Talking my name like them boy, they know me. Ain't talking religion when I say they're holy.
I ain't talking religion when I say they're holy. Just watch me when you're lowly, cause you know me and my broskies. Get in the comments. Hey, you know that we Jesus, man, they should have let that beat run a little more, man. Jeez, you know me and the freestyles, bro. That beat is mad. That beat is sick. And Kush gave us a different flow like every 8 bars, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on, fam. He was like, nah. The man them keep on a talk about L's and Bando and S. Like, say me no there. And S even there jail and S I get more recognition than me. No. I for sure them say, yes. Me can do it too. A man say him used to sell Star Dog, but he never used to be a vet or something like that. Dog. I say, bro, I know what you mean, bro. You don't have to tell me that. But why Abs look so sad in the back? But anyway, man, let me know what you think about this in the comments. Scratcher, Madara, and JM the producer. Amazing beat, guys. Bro, if Uno could just tell producers to just, give them a blueprint of, not saying every beat has to sound like this, bro, but just don't make the 808s sound the same way throughout the whole song. You know, make them have, you know, give them some life. Make them hit some different notes. Some shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Don't have the melodies overshadowing anybody's voice, or you guys know what to do, man. I like how the music, the production, it's been getting, like, it's been good, but it's been getting better. It's been getting better, and I love it, man. So, yo, big up Fumez, big up Kush, big up Scratcher, Madara, and JM, the producer, Mitchy Taylors, and Chromatics. Big up you if you made it to the end of this video. And you don't know, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, tell me what you want me to react to next. And just let me know what you think about this. And tell me anything. Hit the like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. KOGENCY and the KOGENCY channel. Oh, KOGENCY and the KOGENCY Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. My God.
Yeah, cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah girl. Get roll